Have y'all guys heard of double tap to park? It's a feature where your car automatically pulls in your garage or any parking spot without you using your phone. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my God. I was trying to do an intro, guys, but it was getting mighty close to that pallet jack. Look at that. Oh. Oh. Look at that, guys. And it triggers the garage door. It was still moving. I was trying to do an intro with auto park parking behind me without me, like, with me acting oblivious, but in the corner of the screen, I saw that thing getting so close to this. And I was so worried, like, this thing would scrape the hell out of my car. It actually performed beautifully. Before we start the video, guys, make sure you like and subscribe because we are putting my car at stake for the sake of a few hundred views. So yeah, like and subscribe. Y'all, I'm so excited because there's a feature that Tesla has that has been like released, taken away with random updates. I have no idea why. Maybe it just is buggy. But we all know what auto park is. If you're a Tesla owner, you probably don't really use it much. Honestly, auto park for me, I'm just going to leave it at that. But there's a feature called double tap to auto park that actually could be more useful because what it does, it allows you to double tap the stock on your stock. And when you get out of the car, it will automatically park itself. You can tell if you want it to pull forward or backwards. The benefit to this is that you don't have to use your app to do summon, which for me, summon is always super sketchy in my garage because it's in that like area between like where Wi-Fi is kind of sketch and where cell connection is also kind of sketch. So it's a hit or miss if it even connects to summon. And also the car itself is in the same situation. It's connected to Wi-Fi, but it's not the strongest Wi-Fi signal. And it's getting to where it's going to back to LTE. So yeah, anyway. So to do this, all you got to do is go into your autopilot settings. I think I already had this set. Do customize summon and require continuous press. Just make sure that's set on no. I already have that. But if you do no, it comes up with this huge message. Basically, you're just saying, I don't care. Tesla's not liable. So, okay. And I have never used this yet. So we will see if this even works. You don't put your foot on the brake at all. All you do, like we're in park right now, I'm just hitting this stock, double tap. I've never seen this in my life because I've never tried this at the right time when it was available. But this is the 2020.4.1 update, so it should work. Okay, so we don't want to press back because that would result in us hitting the wall. Forward would be great because that means we can pull it out of the garage and I could maybe get up into the attic or something. Like, it's really useful. The car will start moving after you exit and close the door. Ooh, I'm scared, guys, like for real. But let's do it. Let's do it. I don't know when it's gonna stop. Does it stop by itself? Okay, it stopped. Okay, and we're actually kind of far away from like inside the garage, so I would be curious if it actually gets far enough to where I can shut the door. And also at the bottom, keep in mind to stop the car, pull any door handle. So if you run into an emergency, pull the door handle and you're good. So back up, we're gonna do. So it is coming in the garage. It's got good clearance on the side. Sometimes it tries to turn the wheel unnecessarily though. We'll see, it was so far away. So this time I have the car way closer to the garage. I just want to see if it can make it in if I'm closer. So I don't know if it's based on distance or that angle of getting in the garage it doesn't like, because it has to have to apply a little bit extra power to get in. Ooh, the wheel is turning weirdly. I don't know. And then it triggers the garage door because I have that set up with HomeLink. It made it in, but it turned kind of weird. And it parked way closer to the wall than I would have done. Okay, so it got in the garage crooked, but can it get out okay? If there was a car right here, though, we'd be out of luck. Now, I assume this is going to work the same way, but we have it pulling in straight instead of backing up. As you can see, like, I'm not using my phone. It's by itself. It's turning very weird. Oh my gosh. It is so close to things, but it's adjusting. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Ah! Oh my God, it triggered. I have HomeLink set up. Okay, we're good though. We're good, we're good. I don't know if I caught it on camera, but when it triggered HomeLink, the garage door started shutting, so I went to check it. But I guess Smart Park did not disengage all the way, so when I moved, I guess it detected there was a little bit more clearance. Look how close that is. It detected there was more clearance, so it pulled up a little bit more. That scared the crap out of me. And then two, so HomeLink gets triggered when we do Smart Summon, or double tap to park. I probably keep calling it Smart Summon. HomeLink gets triggered after we pull in, but what I don't think happens, I don't think HomeLink gets triggered when you start it. Because look, I can't get this to trigger. Okay, there we go. It's like no rhyme or reason. Okay, so we're gonna do this with the garage door shut. And we're gonna see what happens. I'm freaking nervous. I'm gonna get ready to grab that door handle so quick. Nope. Oh, it triggered it. Oh my gosh, you have to give it, you have to trust it. It went a little bit, then triggered it. It's actually doing it. Whoa, that is crazy. And once again, I'm not doing anything on my phone. It's doing it all by itself. I love this feature. And then it triggers it again, so I'm gonna stop that with my foot. This is the first time I've actually used double tap to park. I've seen it being used. I've gone to make videos about this in the past, but depending on the update version I'm on, for whatever reason, it's disabled. But on 20.4.1, it works, at least for me, at least in the US. I'm really impressed. It has not hit anything. It triggers HomeLink, great. Just keep in mind, it will move a little bit before your garage door opens, and it may move up a little bit after your garage door shuts. So you gotta trust those sensors, but make sure you're nearby. Be ready to grab that handle if you need to take over keep in mind, like, this is really an easy way to wreck your car if there is something that the sensors can't pick up. You know, like, just don't be stupid. Use your judgment when doing this. That's all I gotta say. Other than that, it's a great feature. This also gives us a look into the future when we can do smart summon. The car can drop us off at the store and then it can go park itself. That's what I'm wanting. Keep in mind right now, Teslas can see lines like an autopilot, but it's not seeing lines when it's parking. At least that what we are aware of right now, because when it tries to park, it's not very smart right now. But the beauty of Tesla, they're constantly learning. They're going to change the way autopilot works in the next few updates or whenever full self-driving is feature complete. We'll see. So guys, that was my video about double tap to park. I really enjoyed making it. This was the first time I've ever experienced double tap to park. If you're into Tesla, I'm gonna put 2 more Tesla videos here and here. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll put my head somewhere down here. Have a great day. Bye.